go, my hand is cold.
What's up guys, Dougie B here with Kyushalimit, and we're just out getting some pictures of the 240. It's nice lighting right now. What do you think of that thing? I think it looks pretty gorgeous. Let's flip it around and give you guys a bit of a view. That 3M Dragonfire red, whoa, wrap looks so good. Curious your guys' thoughts on how it turned out. Curious how you would have done it. And yeah, just give me your feedback. What did you like about the videos? What didn't you like about the videos? What would you like to see more of? What would you like to see less of? Yeah guys, there it is. Super stoked on how it turned out. Super happy with it. Let's give you just a quick little shot of the inside. Don't mind the dirty floor mat, I just threw that in there so I didn't get the carpets dirty. While I drove it down here, we got the Nardi Classic in there. Don't forget, Kyushalimit stickers, kyushalimit.company.site. Can pick it up there, $5, holographic. There you have it. Right on guys. This will probably be the last you see this video. I actually sold it to a local guy, and he messaged me and said he wanted it, and that's that. So she's staying in Alberta, and yeah, we'll hopefully get driven. That's what it was intended to do. So, all right, guys, we're gonna let you go. Peace out.